How to fix Snapchat camera not working. Let's get started. First, make sure you have given camera access to the Snapchat app. To do that, launch your settings. Now scroll all the way down and head over to the option apps. From the list of the apps, find Snapchat and launch it. Make sure you have enabled for these options, microphone and camera. In case you have already enabled it, disable it, wait for a few minutes and again enable it. Next, update the Snapchat app. To do that, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Snapchat. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, make sure you have enough storage in your device. To check that, launch your Settings app, navigate to the option General, click on the option iPhone Storage. Check whether you have enough storage or not, or else you can delete or offload the unused apps. If none of these solutions work, completely delete Snapchat from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the Snapchat, click on Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Now head over to Play Store or App Store, search for the app Snapchat and then install it. So these are some fixes for a Snapchat camera not working. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.